It's the van that I'm talking about, guys. Go ahead. Bye, guys. Have a good day. Love you. Behave. Say good morning. Thank you. Bye. You too. You too, Alex?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you guys say?
Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Father God, for waking us up. Amen. Father God, please watch over us as we enjoy this day that you brought towards us, Father God. Thank you for everything you continue doing for us. Thanks for watching over us. Thanks for protecting us. Thanks for favoring us, Father God. Father God, I just pray that you keep my kids away from harm and evil. And evil and harm stay away from my kids. In your name I pray. Father God, I just give thanks for today. Thank you for this app, Papa Pal, that I came across, and thank you so much that I've been able to get jobs on this app. Excuse me, Father God. And thank you for what you continue doing. In your name I pray, amen. Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Make me lie down in green pasture. Let me see the waters restore my soul. He led me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. You have all good from the shadow of death, and all evil look out with me. Your rod, these staff, they cover me. These mercy take my enemies and my way out. Show me mercy, show me all the days of my life, and I'll dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Rise and shine, sleepyheads. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome, welcome. I want to thank my OGs for hanging out, watching my video, and for supporting my videos. And to my new subbies, thank you so much for coming and subscribing and liking and commenting. I appreciate it. I see you. Welcome. I know you're gonna like it here, because if you're about your business, your monies, and everything else, family, then that's basically what this channel is all about. So right now I'm heading to go drop off my kids to school, and I will be assisting 2 members today with Papa Pal. One of them is cleaning and the other one is tech stuff. So the one that's for cleaning is for 2 hours, and the one for tech stuff is only for 1 hour. So I'll be doing 3 hours today. And yeah, and I'm basically gonna be taking you guys with me. But I do need coffee. Like, as soon as I get home, my first shift is at 11 a.m. So as soon as I drop the kids off, I'm gonna be rushing to get myself ready. I might not be recording all of that because it does take time. So when I get back in the car, of course, I'll be recording that. So I'll see you guys later. Y'all already know the routine. If y'all don't know the routine of this video right about now, shame on you. Shame on you. So yeah, so dropping off the kids. I'm not sure if but you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can find me something to eat when I get home, because I don't want to go there with an empty stomach and I pass out and then boom, what do we do? So yeah, let me try to get this green light. I know it already turned yellow and I'm way too far from it, but it's all good. The kids are not late. Go ahead. Bye, guys. Have a good day. Love you. Behave. Say good morning. Thank you. Bye, love. Bye. Have a good day. You too. That was cute. That's a cute wagon. I said wagon. Oh my gosh, van. I think I want to be a van mom. It's the van that I'm talking about, guys. The Kia. It's cute. So yeah, I have time. So right now it's 8:35. So I still have time to make some coffee, check my emails, and probably post a couple of jobs, remote jobs for y'all. I don't have any cleaning to do, like dishes to wash. Well, I have a little bit of dishes, but that could wait until later. So yeah, so I was just reading my text message, and I told y'all, like, the last member I helped, he really liked me, so he referred me to be his Papa Pal from now on. Like, he doesn't want anybody else to help assist him but me. But he's asking me to do certain things that I am not good at. He's asking me to consolidate his income with his bank account income that he was receiving for the past 12 months. Dude, I'm not an accountant. Like, I didn't go to school for that, and I'm not good at math. So I am not going to help you do that. The only thing I'm there for is techie stuff. Like, anything that has to do with computers, I'm there for you. You know what I'm saying? But I cannot, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm just not. So, I am going to call him and double check to see what he's asking for, to see if I can still help him. If not, then I'm gonna just cancel his appointment that I have with him, because that's not what I'm there for. Now, if he wants me to email it to whoever he wants me to email it to, then I can do that, to show proof of his bank statements from the last year. You know what I'm saying? So I can do that. But consolidate and all of that, nah, that's you, bro. That's you. But yeah, guys, I'm almost home. That's what I like about the kids' school. It's like 2 minutes away. I mean, it would have been 2 minutes away if we didn't have any traffic lights. If traffic lights did not exist, and if they weren't as long as they are. So yeah, I would have got there to their school in a gypsy and got home really fast as well. But I ain't complaining, because I'm almost there. Do I have enough gas? Yeah, I have enough gas for the 2 trips. The first trip is 7 miles from my house. That's the same old man, guys, that be holding the flyer. One day I'm gonna show you guys what he looks like on the side of the road, holding a big old flyer. But it's not that hot, so I understand why he would be out here in the morning like this. The weather is changing here in Florida. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait until the cold weather hits, man. Gee whiz. It's like this all the time. Like, when it's hot, we can't wait until the cold weather hits. And when it's cold, we can't wait until the hot weather hits. I never, ever complain about it being cold here in Florida. I don't. I never say I can't wait until the summer. I've never ever remember me saying that. I think the only time I probably said that is, like, you know, around April when it rains a lot. It pours here in Florida. And I think that's probably when I said that. But other than that, nah. I never be begging for summer. Never be begging. Because I don't really care for it. Don't care for it. So Yeah, you all. So it's 8:40. I just got home. So now I'm gonna just handle something real fast. I'm gonna tweeze my neck real quick before I get out the car. Y'all ever be having hair under your necks? I think it's the biotin that's doing that. I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get in the house, y'all. I'm finally done with tweezing my neck. So tell me if I see any hairs under my neck. Ooh, I know that's gross. I'm joking. Storming. Really bad here. Okay. Alright, so that's the least of my worries. I think every time I take the biotin, they push out more. And also, I think there's just the vitamins alone that does that too. I don't know, it could be anything. Because it's hereditary. My mom used to have like some of them like that too. So So y'all, check me out, right? So the guy, oh gosh, I forgot to post the jobs for y'all. After I'm done talking to you guys, I'm a post it because they got some good ones on there. So the guy that I told y'all that I will be assisting with Papa Pal, right? He hits me up. He texts me early in the morning. So I get it. But I just scanned through the text real fast because I had the kids with me. I had to focus on my kids first. So once I dropped the kids off, made my coffee, I sat down and just went through my text messages. And basically what he's looking for is an accountant. Like I was telling y'all before, he's trying to play me dumb. Like, you know, finding an accountant, I know it's money. But if you need stuff done right, you should pay for their services. And I think that's what his problem is. He does not want to pay for anybody's services. He just wants to get through with me to see if I can do all his work for him and stuff like that. And I mean, I'm only there. I just informed him that I'm only able to assist him with techie stuff when it comes to copy, scan, not techie stuff, but tech stuff like copy, scan, email, you know, other things when it comes to phone and stuff like that. I can help you when it comes to your phone. But other personal stuff like banking stuff and stuff like that, I'm not going to do that. Even though if I did know what I was doing, I'm going to play mind games right at this point. So I just asked him, like, do you still want us to have this appointment, or did you still want to keep this appointment with me and you? Because, excuse me, I don't want to go and waste my time and drive all the way to his home because he's 11 miles away from me. I can save up to 11 miles of gas, you know, if you don't need me. I don't understand people nowadays. Like, they trying to use people and not want to pay for the actual service. But I get it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I get it. But other than that, I am still, he didn't reply back to me yet because I asked him if he still need my services. I guess he's on the phone with Papa Pal to cancel our appointment, so that's fine. But I am still going to my 11 o'clock appointment, and that's basically it. So guys, I wanted to talk to y'all about school. I am finally done with all the modules. I took all the quizzes and stuff like that. So then what I did was because you know it's my first time with this company, not sure with this college, so I'm not sure how they go about, like, when you're done with all your modules, what's next. So I reached out to student services. Of course, you gotta enter your email address and everything like that, and schedule an appointment, and then they'll call you, and whatever questions that you may have, they'll answer. So yesterday was one of those days where someone was supposed to call me and no one did. So I received an email from someone just telling me how to go about the situation, because they're telling me that I had to take something called Mind Tab, and I never heard of that, and it was a bit confusing. And I was like, what the heck is Mind Tab? What are they talking about? So so that's basically it. So now I have to they give you a post exam just so you have an idea on what to expect on the exam. The questions are like 100 questions, and 77 to 100 questions, and I think I'll be able to do it. I just did not open it yet, guys, because today is my most busiest day. I'm going to check my schedule to see what my schedule is like tomorrow. I don't think I have any work with any of the members tomorrow, but if that... So yeah, my second appointment canceled on me. The one that wanted me to be his accountant on the low, for the low, he canceled with me because he wanted me to do all the spreadsheets and stuff like that. Nah, I ain't doing none of that, bro. Not for an hour. Because the pay is not even good. I'm about to take my old school pouch. Look at this. I'm about to take my old school pouch with me. I just took some things out of it because it has some things in there. I'm about to take it because that's where I'm going to keep my phone and my keys and stuff like that. It ain't doing nothing here. So come on with mama. This is how I'm looking, y'all. All in black, tights, and some dingy ass sneakers. And that's it. And I'm about to grab my wallet because it has all my license and stuff like that, all my important stuff in there. I'm about to grab my keys and get up out of here. And this time, guys, I am not gonna forget to lock the door. Y'all my witness. Y'all hear them keys going in the door? Let's double check. Yep. And now we're on our way. I wanted to use this waist trainer that I have in the back of my trunk, just so it could support my back. A lot of people think waist trainers is just to lose the weight. No, it also supports your back as well. Yeah, I still got the toys from the last video in here. I forgot to put it away. I meant to send it to Goodwill, but I will do that today. And I got my waist trainer here. My car stinks. I think it has a hole in it somewhere from the rain. This one is something that you have to go like this to secure it. Now it's secure, y'all. I didn't want to put it so tight, but it's not tight at all. I just gotta get used to it, but I'm gonna use this to support my back. And I guess I'll be losing weight as well while I'm using this to support my back. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna hit y'all back up later once I get there. I wanna jam to music real quick. All right, later, guys. I made it, y'all. I'm about to spray the Fury from Target. I don't know if you can see it, guys. It smells so good. This one is the body mist one. And I'm grabbing my pouch. I'm grabbing my pouch and my car keys, so we don't forget nothing. And I'm about to go in, clock myself in, and I'll see y'all later. So guys, I am finally done, but it's raining, so I want to take my waist trainer off. So let me tell you, boy, that thing did its job. My pants is falling. Oh. So y'all, I am finally done, but I'm not happy because I got people canceling on me. I got one canceled. Well, the one that I was supposed to go to with the techie issues, he was supposed to be at 2. It's 1:05 now, y'all. And he canceled with me because he wanted me to do Excel spreadsheets for him. I told you he was looking for an accountant. He wanted me to do accountant work for him. What do I look like? And then after that, once he canceled, then another one canceled on top of that. And then now that I'm done with this job, another one done canceled. And I'm checking to see if there's any availability. None yet. My next visit will be on the 29th. So, and today is what, the 26th? It's all good because the other one would have been, the 2 to 3 would have been an inconvenience for me a little bit. Not because it's super close to here, but picking up the kids would have been the inconvenience for me. So yeah, y'all, I think I'm kind of like allergic to certain products because this finger here was acting up right here. It feels some type of way, like it feels weird. But yeah, y'all, let me tell you about this waist trainer here. I don't know where I got it. I think most likely, I don't even know where I purchased it. I want to say Amazon, but I'm not sure because it's been a while. That thing did its work. It actually supported my back, y'all. I don't feel as tired as I did the first time when I did this because, I don't know, I think my body's getting used to it. And I think all these stretches I've been doing too has been helping out a lot. Like it's loosening up my muscles. But let me get out of here. So, I wonder if something's right behind me. No. But yeah, the couples, they were very nice. It was husband and wife. And the husband couldn't hear that well. And the wife had issues with breathing. So she was walking with her oxygen tank everywhere. And it was just two beautiful, amazing couples. So they were so nice. They wanted to talk me to death, but I just wanted to actually help them to clean because they really needed it. So that was my main focus for them at that point. Where do I go from here? Okay, so I'm gonna go right. And yeah, they wanted to talk me to death. They have a cute little dog that has long hair, could barely see with them bangs in it in the front of it. Just a cute little dog. So I'll hit you guys back up when I figure out what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out if I want to eat something or not. This is a 4-way stop, and I did not know that. Such an idiot. And these people are just like taking advantage of me because they know I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I think it's this way I have to go. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna hit y'all back up later. It's raining, it's pouring. Give me something good to.
At the light, turn right onto Santa Barbara Boulevard.
Police, where you at? This is my second time doing this. Running the red light. I'm at Chick-fil-A, y'all. I decided to do Chick-fil-A since I'm in the neighborhood. I'm gonna need a menu because I still don't know the Chick-fil-A menu like that. And they have people taking orders, so they never like actually have the option to where you can drive up to the intercom and place your order. I think because it's always packed here. But yeah, guys, so let me tell y'all. So the student service people from the school did eventually call me, right? And I did ask them all the questions that I wanted to know. And do you have a menu? Yeah. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna tell y'all in a minute. Let me finish placing my order. Thank you.
Yeah. And your name?
Lou, L-U.
All right, Lou. Let me know what you like.
Okay. Can I have the spicy deluxe, please? The meal.
To drink with that?
Dr. Pepper.
Any sauces on the side?
Yeah, you can put the honey mustard.
Okay. Anything else?
That'll be it.
Alrighty. $10.60 today.
Okay.
And I'll take it if you want.
Okay,
I'll be right
thanks.
there. Yes, ma'am. You have a great day.
All right,
okay?
you too. Take
My
care.
pleasure. There's one there, but...
So, what was I saying? Yeah, so they called and I told them, I was like, someone already called from your department. Someone already reached out to me through email, but I still have a couple of questions. He was like, okay, go ahead, no problem. That's what I'm here for. So then I told him, I asked him, I was like, hey, you know, after I'm done with the exam and everything like that, and what's next? He said, I'm going to receive something in the mail, letting me know what the steps will be. And I did ask him about the graduation ceremony. Where will it be? He said the only place that they actually have it is in Pennsylvania. So I'm just like, when he said that, I'm already brainstorming, guys. I'm a Capricorn. So if you don't know about Capricorns, we like to do things and organize things where it makes sense to us. So I'm brainstorming. I'm like, who's going to go with me and who will I invite? Because I do want the kids to come with me because I do want them to see my achievement. You know what I'm saying? Because it's important to have your kids there to see that, you know, mommy is actually doing her best. Because they know I'm in school. They know I'm doing homework. And even my son's like, mommy, did you do homework today? They know all of that. So I just want to show them that, you know, because it's also important to me too. And I also asked him for the certification, like to take the state board. Does it require that I come out of pocket? He said no, they will take care of the first payment of the certification. So basically, if I take it that one time and I pass it, good for me. But if I don't pass it and I want to take it again, I will have to come out of pocket. Which the other fraud school that I went to said the same thing as well. And that's what I wanted to know. I wanted to know what their process was, if it was the same. And he's basically confirmed it. And I also asked him, what was the other question as well? I forgot. But he said that everything, all the steps will be mailed out to me, and also on the portal itself where it says documents. So there, all my questions will be answered there as well. And if it's not, then always reach out to them. They're there for us 24 hours, 7 days a week. So yeah, y'all. So most likely tomorrow, if I don't sign up for any other task for tomorrow with the gig work, then I will focus more on the exam itself. And yeah, so that's what my day tomorrow will consist of. And that will be Wednesday, and today is Tuesday, y'all. Yesterday the kids did not have any school, okay? So you already know what that was. They had a long weekend. A long flipping weekend. And on the weekend, we did not do anything. We just stayed home. I was lazy as heck because I felt like all that cleaning that I was doing. Lou, yes. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thanks. It sucks how they have to work in the rain. But that's basically what they signed up for. I'm sure that's part of the application. It's so, but yeah, guys, I am overly excited. You know how like when you're overly excited for something like that, and then when it finally gets here, you're just like, okay, come on with it. I think eventually I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there because I've just been waiting for so flipping long. So flipping long, y'all. So yeah, I am going to park somewhere so I can eat my food. And I just might stop at Pollo Tropical to grab the kids some food real fast, since I know I'm not gonna go home and cook. And yeah, so I am going to eat. I already know how I feel about eating in front of y'all. Yeah, I changed my mind. We're at Little Caesars. I'm gonna just grab them something real quick. We're at Little Caesars, y'all. I'm gonna just grab them something real quick because it's affordable. And my son, he likes the crazy bread option. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm so not even tired. I just don't want to get out the car. That's my thing. The longer I take, the longer it's gonna be. So
Take it in fat. Thank you. I'll be right with you.
okay, sure. Thanks. Good. Can I have one crazy bread with a cheese pizza, and that'll be it? Yes. No. Thank you.
$12.76. Card?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks. That's what I like about Little Caesars, y'all. You be in and out. In and out. Hand sanitizer. So now it's like 2:08. I'm gonna go home, because the kids don't leave school until 3:12, which I already know the situation with how long it takes for me to grab them when I leave that early. So I usually leave the house at 3:20, and by the time I get to pick up the kids, like the traffic be like not so heavy. I get there like at 3:30, and the traffic is not so bad picking them up. So I am heading home. son, he loves the crazy bread, but my daughter, she eats anything when she's hungry. I love it. I love it. But you know, you're gonna always get that one cranky and picky kid out of the bunch. So yeah, guys, I got so many thoughts running through my head right now. I don't even want to talk about them. I just want to hurry up and write it down on paper or in my journal, just so it could make sense to me. You know what I'm saying? You know how like when you overthink something and then it's like overthinking it and it's not making any sense to you, but when you write it on paper, it makes a whole lot of sense. I don't know, y'all, I'm weird. I'm a Capricorn, goddammit. We can't help it but have this like thing about us where we like to brainstorm so freaking much. So I'm so thirsty. Can't wait till I go home. For some water. So y'all, obviously I'm home and my coffee from this morning is still here. You guys think that I should still drink it? I mean, it's been sitting on the couch. Let me taste it. It's still, oh gosh, it's super strong, but it still tastes the same. So yes, your girl is gonna drink it. I need something to wake me up because really I feel like my body is like screaming for sleep, but I'm not gonna do that because I have to go pick up the kids. And like I told y'all, I want to focus on the exam and see what it's like. And hopefully I just pray to God that I pass this exam, guys. It will hurt my feelings if I don't pass it. Like I will be so hurt. Like seriously, like that shit will freaking hurt me like to the core. And also I hope that they give me a guide, like a study guide, in order to pass my certification. And where's the medical billing heads on here that said that they'll be able to help me out once I get close? I'm reaching out to y'all. I'm reaching out to y'all. Help, Mary, where you at? I think it was Mary that said it. Mary, where you at? I'm here. I am ready. What do you recommend? Like, what sites do I go on in order to study more? I think I'm going to do my research on YouTube because you know YouTube got everything. Whatever you type in there, it pops up. So I think that's what I would do to help me like try to figure out like how to study more. So yeah, and I'll go from there and see what. I mean, it shouldn't be that hard because the majority of the quizzes basically consist of that. So I don't know. You know how like when you know something and then when it's time to like demonstrate what you learn, it's sometimes like you get like a brain fart where you end up forgetting everything. That's how I get, y'all. I don't know why I'm like that, but I get so freaking nervous where I get real stupid and dumb. So yeah, I don't want to make this video any longer than what it is. So you already know what the routine is when I go and pick up the kids. If you don't know, I'm gonna tell you, okay? Just calm down. So when I go and pick up your niece and nephew, of course they come home and they sometimes, depending on them, they are hungry or not. If not, they just grab some snacks and they eat it themselves. They undress, they get comfortable, and we're doing homework. Sometimes little Alex, he comes home and he's super tired to a point where he's like, Mama, can we do homework later? And then he passes out on the floor or in his room and just goes straight to sleep because he's so exhausted. And little Lily, she's never exhausted. She just want to go straight to watching her videos on YouTube Kids and starts from there. And that's where she's at the whole time. Or she'll just go in the refrigerator and see if there's anything new in there and just grab her something to drink. And that's little mama. That's what she does. And that's how we just like end the whole day. Like when the kids are here, I don't really do nothing at all. When they're not here, I try to remain productive. I try to do as much homework as possible. I try to clean up as possible. I try to cook as much as possible. You know, I try to like brainstorm and do what needs to be done before the kids get home. Because once the kids get home, I just want to focus on them. You get it? So, yeah, guys. And I see my new folks coming in here. And Desi B, I reply back to you, sis. I see you. Trust me. I see everybody that comments on here and show the love that they what's the word that I want to say? They show as much love on my channel as possible, and I appreciate it, y'all. I do. I just can't see who's liking my videos, but when you comment, it means a lot because it just shows me that you are supporting me and that you're here. And that, you know, the more you comment, the better I get to know you as a person. And I just feel like we have like a relationship. You get what I'm saying? Even though I can't see you, I just feel like you're closer to me. You're still family because you're on my channel. You're watching my life, and you're commenting and putting encouraging words and compliments down on here. And I so appreciate that so much, y'all. You have no idea. Because it takes a lot for anybody to put their life out here, you know, on the internet and not get criticized or made fun of. So, trust me. When I say I appreciate y'all, I appreciate y'all 100%. I don't say things that I do not mean at all. Okay? Because if you don't know me, then I'm that person. Like, I'm not going to express my thoughts if I don't mean it. Because trust me, you'll know when I mean something. You'll know when I don't mean something. So, yeah, guys. So, if you got this far in this video, you did not yet like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and do that. And I will hit y'all with a next video. Guys, y'all keep me going. I keep throwing these videos out to y'all. And it feels so good because it feels like it's like a routine for me anyways, where I have to come on here and talk to my family. Love you guys. Bye.